Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learner. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, friends. It's great to see you again. Today's topic is one of my favorites, holidays.
Oh, yes, everyone loves holidays, right? It's the best time to relax, travel, and spend time with family or friends.
Absolutely. Holidays make life so much more exciting. You can escape from work or school and just enjoy yourself for a while.
That's true. So, Tom, let's start with this. What kind of holiday do you like the most?
Good question. I really enjoy beach holidays. I love swimming, walking along the shore, feeling the sand between my toes, and watching the sunset. I also like reading a book or listening to music while lying on a hammock. It's peaceful and refreshing.
That sounds amazing. I like the beach too, but I actually prefer city holidays. I love exploring new cities, visiting museums, trying local food, and, of course, taking lots of pictures. I enjoy walking through historic streets, visiting famous landmarks, and sometimes joining guided tours to learn about the culture.
Oh, so you're the city explorer type.
Exactly. I love the energy and culture of big cities. I like meeting locals, checking out street markets, and trying coffee in small cafes. What about you? Do you like relaxing more or being active?
I'd say a mix of both. I like to relax by the sea during the day, swim, snorkel, or just lie under the sun. But at night, I enjoy going out to eat, walking around the town, visiting night markets, and exploring local nightlife. It makes the holiday feel full and exciting.
Nice. So, where did you go on your last holiday?
I went to Japan last summer. It was incredible. I visited Tokyo and Kyoto. In Tokyo, I explored Shibuya Crossing, went shopping in Harajuku, and visited the famous Shinsoji Temple. In Kyoto, I saw beautiful temples, traditional gardens, and even attended a tea ceremony.
Wow, Japan is on my dream list. What did you do there besides sightseeing?
Oh, so many things. I tried real sushi, ramen, and tempura at local restaurants, and even joined a sushi making class. I went to a hot spring resort in the mountains, which was so relaxing. And the trains were super fast and always on time. It was unbelievable.
Japan is famous for that. Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, very much. The sushi, ramen, tempura, and even street food like takoyaki were delicious. And the people were so polite. Everywhere I went, they said, "Welcome," with a big smile, and they always helped when I was confused.
That sounds perfect. Did you have any funny or unexpected moments?
Oh, yes. I tried ordering noodles in Japanese for the first time. I thought I was saying, "I love this dish," but I accidentally said, "I hate this dish." The chef laughed so much.
Oh, that's so funny. Language mix-ups always happen. I remember once in Spain, I tried to ask for directions to the beach, and I accidentally asked for a dog beach. Everyone laughed, but they still helped me.
Oh, that's great. That's part of the adventure, right?
Absolutely. So, my last holiday was in Spain. I went to Barcelona first, then Valencia. In Barcelona, I visited La Sagrada Familia, walked along La Rambla, tried tapas, and even joined a flamenco show one evening. The street food in Barcelona was amazing. Paella, churros, fresh orange juice, and seafood dishes.
You're making me hungry already.
Sorry. And in Valencia, the sea was crystal clear. We went snorkeling, saw so many colorful fish, and even tried paddle boarding. One day we rented a scooter and got lost on tiny roads. It was scary at first, but then we found a hidden beach that was completely empty and peaceful.
Wow, that sounds like a secret paradise. Sometimes getting lost is the best way to discover something new.
Exactly. And I also tried parasailing for the first time. I was so nervous, but once I was in the air, it felt amazing. The view of the coastline and turquoise water was unforgettable. I even took lots of pictures from above.
I can imagine. So, do you usually travel alone or with friends?
I usually travel with friends, but I tried solo travel once. It was scary at first, but I ended up meeting so many interesting people, joined local tours, and tried foods I never would have on my own.
Yeah, solo trips teach you a lot. But traveling with friends is more fun. You can laugh together, take funny photos, and make memories.
True. Speaking of memories, one time in Japan, I got on the wrong train and ended up in a small town. I couldn't read the signs, but I met a local family who invited me to their house for tea. They taught me how to make traditional sweets. It turned out to be one of my favorite experiences.
Wow, that's amazing. I love those unexpected moments. On one trip to Italy, I got lost in Venice, and a kind gondolier offered me a free ride because he said I looked confused but happy. It was so kind.
Those little surprises make holidays unforgettable.
So, Anna, where is your dream holiday destination?
Switzerland! I've never seen snow. I want to see the mountains, ride a cable car, go skiing, and drink hot chocolate by the fireplace. I also want to visit small villages and enjoy quiet walks in nature.
That sounds cozy. My dream holiday is Italy. Rome, Venice, Florence, the food, the art, the history. I want to eat pizza, pasta, gelato, ride a gondolina in Venice, and visit famous museums.
Perfect. So, packing. What's your style?
Light. Just shirts, shorts, my camera, comfortable shoes, and essentials.
I overpack every time, and I always forget something important. One time I forgot my toothbrush, and another time my charger.
Oh no, I once forgot my passport. Luckily, I found it in my backpack at the airport.
Packing is always an adventure itself.
True. Okay, let's share some travel tips for our listeners.
Tip 1, plan ahead and book early. Tip 2, learn basic phrases in the local language. Tip 3, carry water, snacks, and a power bank. Tip 4, don't rush, enjoy the moment. Tip 5, expect the unexpected. It often makes the best memories. Tip 6, take lots of pictures and write small notes to remember details.
Exactly. Sometimes the mistakes and surprises are the funniest stories later.
So, how do you feel when a holiday ends?
Bit sad but grateful. And excited to plan the next one.
Same here. And we want to hear from our listeners. What was your favorite holiday? Did you have funny, scary, or unexpected moments? Where did you go?
Yes, share your story in the comments. We love reading them, and it's a fun way to practice English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast so you never miss an episode. Your support helps us create more fun English content.
So, come on, everyone. Tell us your holiday stories in the comments. We want to read every single one.
Absolutely. Who knows? Your story might even inspire other listeners for their next trip.
Well said, Anna. Thank you, everyone, for listening today.
Yes, thank you. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye and happy holidays.